six things about the program and for
Why join IT?
ourselves.
Why join
First,
PSO Bahagian ICS? You post mo to
general
YouTube.
feelings, motivation, knowledge, baggage we carry, hopes, fears, worst fear, and support. Our next program is about thinking the Millennium Development Goals.
What are those eight Millennium Development Goals? Okay, we recap. First, we have to eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Second is to achieve universal primary education. Universal primary education. Third, to reduce child mortality. Third, improve maternal health.
Healthcare.
And the fifth is to
H
combat HIV,
HIV
AIDS,
AIDS.
malaria, tuberculosis, and other diseases. Seven is to maintain our environment, sustain them. And eight, global
Partnership.
partnerships. Yes.
As one MG says, sino bang magtutulungan kundi tayo-tayo rin. Our next topic that we discussed yesterday is about youth volunteering. We had our team building and we call it the spider web. We have also we have also done the ICS Avenue.
Again. Straight lang.
And for our last session, we have the documenting and communicating volunteers. We learned how to take photos, how to write blogs, and how to capture good and dramatic scenes. And that's the end of our topic yesterday.